R34 GTR Skyline. In keeping with our surroundings, it's cold, it's frosty, we're on a rooftop. It had to be white, didn't it? This thing looks incredible. As a child, I had one of these as a poster on my wall, and my aim was, by the time I was 30, to get one of these. Unfortunately, we all know the economic climate. To get one of these now is well over 100 grand. That's a bit out of my price bracket. And this one in particular has got every single thing out of a JDM catalogue that you'd want on it. Full Z-tune front end, so you get wider arches, vented bonnet, wider bumper, different skirts. It's got Greddy brakes, T37s, HKS suspension, and the engine, that's its party piece. It's built to withstand over 1,000 horsepower, but this one is limited to a modest 850. So I think we should take it for a little burn and see what it's like. Now the R34 GTR, as standard, is a 2.6 litre engine, 2 turbos, 4-wheel drive, and should produce around 270 horsepower as per Japan's gentleman's agreement. But if you got one brand new and you put it on a rolling road, it's generally between 300 and 350 horsepower. This though, it's got double that, so it should be an absolute handful. Now you have to excuse us for doing the review outside of the car this time, but in there it is so loud. It's got full titanium exhaust, so it's just so drony, the mics just cannot handle it. So yeah, this thing, what's it like? Appearance, 8 out of 10. A strong 8 out of 10. The only thing that's knocking it is its colour. I love white cars, but on an R34 it's either got to be midnight purple or Bayside blue. That's it. And the other thing affecting that score, the wheels. I love T37s. They are my favourite wheels, but the OG ones. These are the new styles, so they're not quite as in keeping with its age. Usability. This is a little bit lower, 7 out of 10, because of the exhaust. I couldn't drive this everywhere. It would do my head in. Like if I had a hot little ting in the passenger seat, I wouldn't be able to talk to her. She'd be getting upset. She'd be going, oh, my ears are bleeding. Tough. But still, it's just way too loud. My neighbours would hate me. Driving experience, 9 out of 10. It's unreal. It's an R34. It's got 850 horsepower. It's got loads of chop because of those big cams. And it just drives so well. It's on HKS Coilovers, Greddy brakes, 808 tyres. It just drives so nice. Whoever set it up has done a really good job. It's just all kinds of amazing. Value. Yeah, a good one. Well over 100 grand now. This one in particular, it's probably worth between 130 and 150. Is it worth that? At the end of the day, it's an old Nissan, but it's an R34 GTR Skyline Nissan. Honestly, I can't answer that because I'm a bit swayed with that because I've always wanted one of these, but being that price, I couldn't afford one. But because it's so special to me, I think it's worth that. You're not going to get another one. The R35s are nothing on an R34 in my opinion. So yeah, inconclusive. So overall, it's a strong 8.69 out of 10. It's a great car. I love it. It looks amazing. The only thing that is affecting its score is the colour, and it needs the OG T37s. R34 GTRs, you've got my seal of approval.